안녕하세요 여러분, it's your Korean Sam, and today's video is all about the word 아니. Now 아니 is probably one of the earliest vocabulary words you learn when you're learning Korean. It pretty much just means no. So to a question like 밥 먹었어요? You can answer 아니요 or 아니 to mean no. However, if you watch a lot of Korean dramas or variety shows, you might notice that the word 아니 gets thrown around a lot more and not always in response to a yes or no question. And if you were a bit confused about that, you've come to the right place because that's what I'll be explaining today. So if you look in the dictionary, the word 아니 actually has two definitions. So the first one is no, like we all know, and the second one is a word that is used to express surprise. That's what it says in the dictionary, but it's a lot more than that. So basically, 아니 is like an exclamation or a word that you insert before the sentence to display any sort of emotion. Oftentimes, it's used for surprise, but it can be used for pretty much any emotion and any situation. Like inserting an 아니 in front of a sentence really doesn't affect the meaning of it, but I would say it's more like a segue into the sentence. And unfortunately, there is no clear-cut formula to using this word. Like, I can't give you a specific condition in which you're allowed to use 아니. It's just that versatile and it can be used in pretty much any situation. And because that is a horrible explanation and that's not helping at all, I'm just going to illustrate with a bunch of sentences and situations and emotions in which the word 아니 could be applicable. If you get the gist of it and if you're able to use 아니 in your own conversational sentences, you'll sound a lot more natural because I think it's one of those things that most Koreans use without even realizing it. If you ask any Korean the definition of 아니, they will only think of the 아니 as in no, but this other 아니 is something a bit more in the subconscious. You know, it's something that most people just say without really thinking. But anyway, here are the many illustrations of 아니. Number one, when you're surprised. 안녕. 오, 아니, 이게 누구야? 아니, 그걸 다 먹을 수 있단 말이에요? 나 어제 남자친구랑 헤어졌어. 아니, 왜? Number two, when you're angry. 아니, 지금 몇 시야? Number three, when you're frustrated. 아니, 그걸 어떻게 모를 수가 있어? Number four, when you're being shy. 혹시 내일 시간 있으세요? 왜요? 아니, 제가 영화표가 2장 생겼는데 혹시 내일 같이 가실래요? Number five, when you're making excuses. 어제 왜 전화 안 했어? 아니, 내가 어제 전화하려고 했는데 배터리가 없었어. Number six, when you're getting defensive. 아니, 내가 거짓말이라도 했어? These are just a few examples that I came up with for this video, but there are probably a lot more that I haven't thought of. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful in case you were ever wondering about the word 아니. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your Korean Sam for more Korean language videos, and I will see you in the next video. 다음 영상에서 만나요.